About this pre-owned 2002 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.